Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Guys, before we begin, I just wanted to share with you guys that I have officially launched our official Telegram group chat for the Crypto ZX community. So I would like to ask each and every one of you guys to go join the chat, and we can discuss cryptocurrencies there, and just have a great time. So do me a favor, hit this link in the description box below and join the group and come say hello, and let's build this community and make it bigger day by day. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.74 trillion. We're down 7.6% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 42.4%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are still seeing a lot of red across the board, but we're starting to see slowly cryptocurrencies, especially in the last hour, go back into that green zone. But right now, all eyes are on Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin, gradually moves up and stabilizes and trades sideways, then we will see altcoins make a fast recovery, in my opinion. So all eyes are right now on Bitcoin without a question. But today, I want to talk about none other than XRP. Alright guys, if we're looking at XRP's price right now, XRP is currently trading at $1.15. It's down 19.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 19.9% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. XRP's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 5th spot. Market cap right now is $53 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $18.9 billion, guys. The 24-hour trading volume has grown, up exponentially. So that's a very, very bullish sign indeed for XRP right now. If we're zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, just the last year alone, we're still up 460%. In the last 14 days, we're down 28.9%, but that's just not XRP. It's the entire market's that down right now. So overall, everything is looking not so bad for XRP, considering they still have the lawsuit going on, and it is holding very, very well, in my opinion, and I will share as to why I believe that very, very shortly with you guys. But let's deep dive into what's going on. But before I do that, I want to share this news with you guys that is a very bullish news in my personal opinion. So today we're excited to announce our partnership with National Bank of Egypt, the North African country's largest bank. Through Ripple's global payment network, RippleNet, NBE has connected with the UAE-based financial service provider Lulu International Exchange, part of the Lulu Financial Group, to process cross-border payments from the United Arab Emirates, UAE, to Egypt. Very, very bullish news in my opinion. This came out earlier today. You may be asking, Crypto ZX, what makes this super bullish? Because guys, working product, and has a real use case, and working with National Bank of Egypt, which is North Africa's biggest bank. So this goes to show, despite the fact we are seeing this lawsuit that's going on with Ripple right now with the SEC, still there, that's not stopping Ripple from anything. They're still making partnerships and they're still delivering. So it gets me even more bullish for XRP right now, as time goes by. And also, speaking about that lawsuit, there is an update that came out today. I'll share that with you guys right off the bat. Jeremy Hogan said this: my initial impression after the hearing was correct. The judge rules in the SEC's favor on the Moo issue. I believe this is the wrong ruling and shows the judge does not understand what is truly going on with those requests. Also, why did this page 2 order take 3 weeks to draft? So there is this update that is coming out for that lawsuit. James K. Phelan also said this: 2 out of 2 produce copies of all previously served requests within 14 days, and produce a subsequent request within 14 days of the service. To the extent the SEC believes it has a proper claim of privilege, it must simultaneously produce a privilege log. So a lot of interesting opinions going around right now, and people are saying SEC is trying to throw Ripple under the bus, basically trying to basically make this process longer. But despite that fact, guys, I'm still a strong believer that overall this whole lawsuit, whatever the news is coming out, most of the news that is coming out lately is positive, and it is on the Ripple side of the spectrum right now. But as time goes, we will see what exactly happens for this lawsuit to occur. But now, if we go a deep dive into the charts to see what's exactly going on with XRP, XRP is holding very, very well, in my opinion, considering other altcoins. When we look at the other altcoins, some of the other altcoins are down way more than XRP is. And we saw a major bloodbath across the board, major pullback, and this type of magnitude of pullback, XRP is holding very, very nicely. Now, you may be asking one question to yourself: Crypto ZX, what exactly makes you think that XRP is holding very well? So let me share that with you guys right off the bat. So on May 18th, guys, we were trading at $1.70, which was just 2 days ago. Since then, guys, we are only down. You guys can see we're only down 32%. Now, you may be asking yourself, 32% is a lot. But guys, you guys can go look for yourself. A majority of the altcoins are down 50 to even 60%. On in crypto, since we saw this bloodbath across the board. And one thing I also like is that the level of support really is playing out as a crucial level of support for Ripple right now. You guys can see the initial price pullback when we saw Bitcoin fall down, have a flash crash. We went all the way down to this level at 85 cents, but we're bought back up very, very quickly. So basically, this level of support at that 89 cents did play a crucial role. And then we went back up and we had another flash crash just a couple hours ago. And again, guys, this level of support played very, very nicely. As you guys can see, we touched that right on dot, and then boom, spiked back up. Since that spike, we are up. Let's just do a quick measurement and see as to how much we have pulled back up. So we have pulled back 29.38% since that a wick all the way down to the support level. Let me bring out the Fibonacci retracement level and to see where we could see XRP go in the immediate short term right now. So if we're looking at this right now, guys, so as I've mentioned, this support level did play out as a strong level of support. But as of now, we are literally trying to get above this resistance level, which is at that $1.17 and 52 $1.17 basically. And it's trying to get back into that 0.50 Fibonacci retracement zone, as Bitcoin is also slowly starting to make a recovery towards the upside. That's what we would like to see. What I would personally like for XRP to do is get back into the zone, guys, and trade sideways within this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement zone. I don't care how long it takes for it to trade sideways. That's what we would like to see: gradual move towards the upside and make a fast recovery. As long as Bitcoin were to stabilize, guys, I believe altcoins are going to see a fast recovery, because so far that's what it's looking like. We are seeing Bitcoin go up, altcoins are going up with it very, very fast. And if Bitcoin were to stabilize, I would not be surprised if altcoins skyrocket, because BTC dominance is falling very, very sharply right now, and that's what I think will play out. And so far, so good, guys. And I also want to bring one thing out for you guys, especially the newcomers coming into the markets and XRP holders, especially if you're new. Guys, nothing is going to go up straight forever. And I'm pretty sure you guys can clearly see that now. I was having a couple comments earlier when I did say, guys, nothing is going to go up straight forever. I did have some negative comments going around. People were saying, no, XRP is going to go straight to the moon. This is FUD, blah, blah, blah. But guys, me being in the markets for a couple of years now, I have seen this over and over and over again. And you guys know, I always tell you guys, if you have too much profits that you have now, if you bought back up very early, what do I always say? I say, guys, take out some profits, lock in some profits, and use that for your personal use, or scale back in when the price drops, because these kind of corrections and these kind of crash can always occur, because Bitcoin is the king and it rules the market. And this kind of sharp pullback is very possible in the cryptocurrency market, so you always have to be prepared for that. And the way, in my opinion, that you can win this is by, if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, patience will be your number one key to follow. You do not want to be shaken out during these wicks like here. You guys see how fast we have recovered back up. And like I said, so you guys get the picture. You do not want to be shaken out. You have to have strong hands, and patience will reward you at the end of the day. And always have some sort of exit strategy in place, to win this market. But right now, this is what I would like for XRP to do. Get back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement zone. Trade sideways. I don't care if it takes a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Just trade sideways and step by step start making a recovery. And that's what I would like for XRP to do. And I'm still a strong believer that XRP will hit an all-time high this year. And it could possibly even happen next month. It just depends what Bitcoin does right now. You guys know the level of interest XRP has. XRP has a massive, massive community, guys. One of the biggest communities in the crypto space, and they, at the end of the day, community does matter a lot, and it goes to show how much people really believe in the project. And obviously, this lawsuit that's going on right now, the SEC lawsuit with XRP, a lot of people are saying that this lawsuit might get dropped out. So there's a lot of, favor towards the XRP side right now. And if that happened, guys, if that announcement gets made, like officially, right now it's not official, but if that statement comes out by the SEC or anyone that is related to the case, and we hear some positive news that this case has been dropped, XRP is going to go through the roof, and there is nothing that is going to stop it. There's a lot of money on the sidelines and a lot of big whales watching XRP's movement, and you would be surprised the amount of interest there really is in XRP right now. So like I said, I would not be surprised. I have been saying this since XRP was literally 13 cents. I had been saying that, once we hear some official announcement come out that this case has been dropped, XRP is going to go through the roof, and I'm still a strong believer on that right now, as I know this bull market is not done. This is just another ordinary pullback and FUD that's going on, China FUD and Elon FUD, but markets will recover. We just have to be patient during this time. And so that is a bullish scenario, what I would like for it to see. Bearish scenario would be that we go back down to this level, and I believe this level of support should be a strong level of support for XRP at that 89 cents. If, guys, we're not able to see that and Bitcoin even falls sharply way below, let's say, $28,000, then there's a possibility. I'm not saying this is happening. There's a possibility we can even go to 65 cents. This is crypto, guys. We have to keep things realistic, and you just have to be prepared for that right now. I do not see that happening right now. I believe markets are slowly going to recover, but at the end of the day, we never know, and we have to be prepared for these kind of moves to occur. But now, before I end this video, I want to look at Bitcoin's chart right now. Bitcoin, so far, so good. It's trading at $39,755. We wicked all the way down to 29,000 because that was close to the next level of support. But we are back above this 36,000 level, and that was the last support in my opinion. And I like what Bitcoin is doing right now. I hope this is not a fake out move, but we will see as time goes by. We will have a confirmation in the next 24 hours, I believe, as to if this is a fake out or not. What I would personally like for Bitcoin to do is just get back into this zone, guys, above $44,000. If Bitcoin is able to manage around this level and just trade sideways and just stay around there instead of fluctuating, then you guys will see how fast altcoins recover. We just need Bitcoin to not be, volatile right now. It is being very, volatile. It's going up and down, and that's what's happening with the entire market. It's going up and down, up and down. So we would like Bitcoin to trade sideways for a while, and I personally would like for it to get back above this $44,000 level and just trade sideways. I don't care if it takes 1 or 2 months for Bitcoin to trade sideways at that $44,000, but that would create a strong, even strong level of support than we really had already. So that's what I would like for Bitcoin to do, but we will see what happens. There's still a possibility whales come out and end the party, and they're like, let's push Bitcoin's price down even further and create more panic across the market. That's always a possibility, and we could even go back down to this level at that $28,000 level, but we will see what happens. But as of now, I believe markets are slowly starting to recover, but like I said, we will know for sure in the next 24 hours to see what's exactly going on with the markets. But with that being said, let me know in the comment section below where you could see XRP trading at the end of this month. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And, also, guys, go join the Telegram group. Go join a link in the description box below. Come say hello. Let's talk crypto and have a good time and create this community where we could talk and enjoy and have some fun. And do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Your support means the world to me. Each and every one of you guys that show me so much support on a daily basis, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you once again. Road to 20,000 subscribers, and stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.